Hi, my name is Lauren Honigman. I'm an attorney with Homestar at Greater Boston Legal Services. The purpose of this video is to quickly review the eviction process, as well as to inform you of important documents you'll need if you find yourself part of an eviction case. There's been a state moratorium in place, but that ends on October 17th. So that means that after that date, landlords can go into court and file an eviction case. The first step in an eviction case is what's called providing to the tenant a notice to quit. And that looks like this. It can be 7, 14, or 30 days, depending on your lease or the type of tenancy that you have. If you receive this document, you do not need to go anywhere. Next, you would receive a summons and complaint, and that would be delivered by a sheriff or constable. It would look something like this, although this was the standard document used before COVID-19. However, since the pandemic, you may receive a summons and complaint that looks a little bit different. It may not have the court hearing date on there. You may receive a second notice informing you of your hearing date as well as the deadline for your answer. So if you receive the summons and complaint, it's extremely important that you file your answer and discovery right away. And so the answer include your defenses, reasons why you should not be evicted. It's your opportunity to explain to the court your side of the story. And depending on the type of case you have, you may also be able to include counterclaims. And those are reasons why you could sue your landlord for things that they may have done wrong. And that could include repairs that they didn't make even though they knew about them, or if they mishandled your security deposit. Additionally, you can include discovery, and that means that you want the landlord to answer certain questions and to provide you with certain documents so that if your case goes to trial, you can fully prepare. While you're completing your answer and discovery, you'll also have the opportunity to claim your jury right. And that means that if your case were to go to trial, it would be heard in front of a jury of your peers. So it's really important to be aware of your right to a jury demand. So you can complete these documents two ways. You can go on masslegalhelp.org, print them out, and mail them to the court, or you can use a system called MADE, which stands for the Massachusetts Defense of Eviction. And you can find MADE on the Greater Boston Legal Services website. You can go to gbls.org/MADE. It's a very easy online system. It'll walk you through it. It's step by step. It's available in several different languages. You can use your phone. You'll need to upload your answer and discovery if you use the MADE system into an e-filing system to the court. And you can find more information about how to e-file on the Greater Boston Legal Services website, on the Mass Legal Help website. You can also call the clerk's office of your court, which is closest to you. You can call the court and ask for the court service center if you need additional assistance. There's also attorney for the day available. The court will know about that. And there's another system in place called 211, which you can call for help if you need additional assistance. So if nothing else, you need to remember that if you receive court papers, you must file your answer discovery, and you'll have an opportunity to claim your right to a jury demand, and only a judge can order you out. Okay, good luck.